Introduction to digital checks.
Digital checks have transformed traditional banking, making it possible to deposit and process checks online without visiting a branch. With online banking platforms, you can use your smartphone or computer to submit check information securely. This innovation saves time, reduces the need for paper handling, and brings added convenience to personal and business banking.
How to deposit a digital check.
To deposit a check digitally, log into your online banking app and select the mobile deposit option. You'll be prompted to take clear photos of the front and back of your check. The app may ask you to verify details and enter the check amount. Once submitted, your bank begins processing the check electronically.
Behind-the-scenes processing.
After you submit your check, the bank's software scans the images to read information like the account number and amount. Advanced security features verify the check's authenticity and detect potential fraud. The check's data enters the clearing system, where banks communicate electronically to move funds from the check writer's account to your own.
Clearing and funds availability.
Once the digital check passes all security and verification checks, your bank requests the funds from the issuing bank. The time it takes for funds to become available varies. Some deposits show up almost instantly, while others may take 1 or more business days, especially for larger amounts or unfamiliar accounts.
Benefits and considerations.
Digital check deposit is fast, secure, and convenient, allowing you to bank from anywhere. It reduces paper usage and streamlines record keeping for you and your bank. However, it's important to ensure you follow the app's instructions, endorse checks properly, and securely store or destroy checks after deposit to prevent errors or misuse.